2024 is coming to an end, and the biggest question is, did you hit your financial goals? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to take $65 and turn it into $5,000 monthly. Real quick, my name is Roger Mack, head mentor and founder of MTF, which is just my free trading Discord. Check that out, first link in the description. Also check out my newsletter for some daily motivation and just hype in that same first link in the description. In 2025, we have the luxury of not having to start with $10,000, $5,000, even $1,000 in our trading accounts to start making money. And 9 times out of 10, if you're just starting out and you put that much money into your account, you're gonna end up blowing it anyways. Instead, we now have PropFirms, where you could take a fraction of that money, pass an evaluation, and still end up with the same buying power. Real quick disclaimer, I'm not affiliated or sponsored by any of these firms. I'm just simply giving you the game plan. Of course, trade at your own discretion and always do your own research. The first challenge I recommend you taking is TJR's 101 funding $6,000 account for $65. But depending on your financial situation, I recommend you trading this one aggressively. That doesn't mean take stupid trades or rush the process. If anything, it just means be more picky, but use more risk. I recommended this one first because he allows you to have 100% profit split, and he has reasonable pricings for his funded accounts. After you pass this account and get your $65 refund back, I want you to keep working this account and throwing in your personal funds till you have about $250 to $300 saved. I recommend you stay with the firm again and get a $25K account. But for this one, I want you to trade it a little bit more conservatively, taking your time. As you get deeper into it, this is going to take a few more times, but taking your time is going to be different of you taking this 2 times or having to take it 6 or 7 times. I read this amazing quote from Hormozi that actually explains this perfectly, but I'll say that to the end. After you pass this account, all you need is about 1 to 2% a month, and you're already pulling in $250 to $500 a month. Now, I know this might not sound like a lot, but if you take a step back and look from the outside, this may be your phone bill, your insurance bill, or just your food bill for the month. But wait, we're not done. Build a cushion of a couple 25K accounts and we'll go to the next one. So now we're ready to go ahead and get those 100K accounts. I recommend going with Blue Guardian. Again, I'm not affiliated, however, one of my favorite trading YouTubers is Calvin from the Forex Beginner Podcast. And I know if he takes his time and he trusts them, then we all can. So just like the 25K accounts, I want you to take your time and pass the challenge. Also, the Hormozi quote, rushing makes things take longer because you have to start over so many times. Being patient means it happens faster because you only have to do it once. We are not going to focus on bringing in 5% a month and getting your 5K from this account. As traders, that's too much stress, and the less stress, the better. Instead, you're going to keep taking and passing 100K accounts, diversifying across different firms. Also remembering to save and invest, but most importantly, to enjoy your fruit. We didn't get this far just to penny pinch and not really use your money. Go ahead, go out there and go buy something dumb. Enjoy the fruit of your labor. Then the important part. Go ahead and keep stacking these accounts till you have about 5 to 700K accounts. Then you're going to throw in a copy trader and then focus on 1 to 2% a month. That means that you may only have to take 1 to 2 trades a month and you're set. Too many times we've seen on social media, big influencers push big returns. But in reality, if you make 2% on 500K accounts, you're bringing in 10 racks. Now, you have to plan. Be patient and stick with it. If you need a trading strategy, check out this video. If you want to see some motivation and get hyped up and just get your mind in the right mindset, check out this video. Also, like and subscribe. Peace.